How to make an NGL link in your Facebook bio. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make an NGL link in your Facebook bio. Firstly, open the NGL application. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once you're in, tap on Copy Link. You can also directly share the link on your story, but here, we will continue by copying the link. Once it is done, close the NGL app and open the Facebook application. Now, tap on Menu on your top right. Go to your profile. Here, tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down until you see the option of Bio. Tap on Add given right next to it. Now, tap on this box and paste the link that you have copied from the NGL app. Tap on Save to save these changes. Now, go back to your profile. As you can see, the NGL link has been added. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.